A. Dubai, B. Shanghai, C. Doha. Correct answer is B. Shanghai. In which state of India are the most elephants found? A. Assam, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Assam. How many days does it take to reach the moon? A. 3 days, B. 7 days, C. 5 days. Correct answer is A. 3 days. In which fair is the tradition of breaking stones followed? A. Koli fair, B. Khajuraho fair, C. Nag Panchami fair. Correct answer is B. Khajuraho fair. How many oceans are there on Earth? A. 4, B. 5, C. 7. Correct answer is B. 5. Which crab can survive for many days even after its head is cut off? A. Mud crab, B. Sea crab, C. Shrimp crab. Correct answer is A. Mud crab. In which country is keeping a dog a crime? A. Iran, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Afghanistan. Correct answer is A. Iran. Which country has the most libraries in the world? A. America, B. India, C. China. Correct answer is A. America. Which is the oldest sport in the world? A. Wrestling, B. Chess, C. Hockey. Correct answer is A. Wrestling. The banyan tree is the national tree of which country? A. India, B. Sri Lanka, C. Bangladesh. Correct answer is B. Sri Lanka. What is the national vegetable of India? A. Ladyfinger, okra, B. Spinach, C. Tomato. Correct answer is A. Ladyfinger, okra. What is known as white gold? A. Platinum, B. White gold, C. Palladium. Correct answer is B. White gold. The world's shortest woman belongs to which country? A. India, B. Nepal, C. Bangladesh. Correct answer is A. India. Where was the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign started? A. Rajasthan, B. Haryana, C. Punjab. Correct answer is B. Haryana. Which city in India is known to be submerged in water? A. Kolkata, B. Mumbai, C. Veerawal. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. In which country was Mukesh Ambani born? A. India, B. Yemen, C. Sri Lanka. Correct answer is B. Yemen. Where are airplanes manufactured in India? A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Mumbai. Correct answer is B. Bengaluru. Which country is known as Mini Punjab? A. Pakistan, B. Canada, C. America. Correct answer is B. Canada. Which creature lives in water but does not drink water? A. Fish, B. Crocodile, C. Octopus. Correct answer is A. Fish. Which city in India has the highest salary level? A. Mumbai, B. Bengaluru, C. Delhi. Correct answer is in Mumbai.